Well, hello there Internet, and thank you for watching another video on developing coreCMS. So I wanted to talk about module parameters, as I said I would in a later video, so I decided to go ahead and do it because I have something implemented. So if you're not familiar with JSON and what JSON is just a way to structure data. I really thought that this would be the best way to allow params to be placed in your block modules. So I just wanted to show you that. So if you're not familiar with JSON, I definitely recommend you go learn a little bit about JSON. I mean, it's not the most difficult thing in the world, but it is a great thing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to actually add a new parameter, and this parameter is going to be test. And I'm just going to make some gobbledygook here, that way you can see that it was created in a unique time. And I'm also going to copy that, and then I'm just going to click go. So we now have that parameter set. And if we go back to that particular block, which was the site-wide logo, we can see that it's still there. And just in case you're wondering, the strings do match. Okay, so I want to show you how to get the parameters from your block. So if we open up your code editor, and you can go to your whatever place you want to get your parameter from, you would notice that we have a string here, and this string, let me make some spaces here. And in this request CF output, we just request.module.block.param. And the next parameter that you want to put is the parameter that you want to get. And in this instance, we want to get test. So if we save this, and if we open this up in the browser, we can refresh, and then we get the string from the parameter. Now this is a very good thing if this is a great way to allow you to store different types of parameters. Perhaps you want to limit the number of articles that you want to display, or you want to sort your articles in a certain way, or this is for custom component development. Maybe you want to create a social network where you want to limit total friends that displayed, or whatever. You can set those parameters within the database, and it's fairly simple to do. It's just request.module.block.param and the parameter that you wish to change, or request, excuse me. Now this may change, it may become more simpler to do, but for now that just it seems right. Maybe we could do something like I know in PHP and Joomla they do something similar to this get param, and then the param name that they usually request. So yeah, I guess that makes sense here. If that doesn't make sense to anybody, just let me know, and that may change, but for now that seems like a good idea, and it is working now. And you can see that by remembering the other param, which was param1, and then we can save that, and then we can go back and we can refresh, and you have the ability to have multiple params. You can have all the params that you want because they are made available. I'll show you that. So very good, very good. So any questions, suggestions, comments, just let me know. I'll greatly appreciate it. Alright everybody, have a good one.